So I decided to take my content creation game a step further by getting an additional phone. So I create different type of content. I create wig making content. Go to my channel, PC Hairs. I have a separate channel for that. I also create cooking contents. I also have a channel for that, PC Cooks. Please search on that channel, you will see my content. But while making this content, I would love to be going on live, because you know that going on live now is a new making money platform in this content creation game. So I need to be going on live, and I cannot be using the same phone or the same camera I'm using to create content and also go on live. You get? So I need an additional phone for just live. Even if it's not a big phone, I just need that additional phone that I can be using to go for live. So I decided to buy one, and mind you, I used my personal money for this, my NYSC money. I used it for this because all my phones I've been using throughout my life, either my brother buys it for me, my boyfriend, my husband, friend, family friend buys the phone for me. But this one, I use my own hard-earned money to buy this. Money I worked for to buy this. So clap for me. So this video now is basically an unboxing video to unbox the phone I bought. It's not much, oh, the phone is not much, it's not a very big phone, so please don't expect too much. So I went to Slots, yes, to get the phone. So yeah, an Infinix Smart 10 Plus phone. Okay, so they've already opened the carton because they configured something there after I bought it. So how will I open this phone now? Wow. Okay, let's open it from here. I don't know. Yeah. So they have to turn it on for me to know that if it's good or not. So it's not sealed. Yes, but I was there when they unsealed it. You can see. It's not much, it's not an iPhone, just use it to go on live. I checked the camera quality, at least it's nice when I use it to go on TikTok live, YouTube live, or Facebook live. It's very nice. So let me see what additional thing it comes with. Hey, thank God I have an MTN SIM card. I think they're doing promo, free data. I will load it later. So let me see if they have any additional. Okay, it comes with a charger. Mind you, when I went to buy the phone, no, this is November, they have Black Friday deals. So I did a spin and win challenge. So when I did a spin and win challenge, I won an earpiece. Yes, but they told me that they cannot give me today. They will call me because they need to register. You know, this company will, so they will call me later to come and get it. So comes with only a charger. And a pouch. This is a transparent pouch. I'll get a new one later. But I did a screen guard. I put screen guard on the phone when I bought the phone. So let me on the phone. So we are on the phone. So it's Infinix. So if you are seeing this video, make me your brand ambassador. Make me your influencer. See, I'm influencing your phone. No, I'm advertising it. It's getting on. So I'm going to be charging this phone. Yeah, I'm going to be charging it before I start using it, installing any app or that. Please, those that have this phone, please, is it good for TikTok live and other live? Is it even good for making video and snapping picture? Because I have an iPhone already. I use those ones to create content, but this one I don't be using it to make live. But I'll still try the camera and use it to make content because I have lightning. You can see this video is very bright, so I have additional lightning. If I use the phone with my additional lightning, if it's good, why not? I can join it and use it to create content. But for now, it's for live specifically. So please, those that have this phone, Smart 10 Plus Infinix, how is it? How is the camera quality? How is it going? The phone function? Please comment in your comment section if I made a right buy. I know people will say, why did I buy iPhone? Probably second-hand iPhone and all that. But please, I don't like anything second-hand. I don't like, I think that probably I don't like it at all. So it's better for me to just go for my budget, a new phone. The money that I have, a new phone I'm buying is, if I want to buy an iPhone, let it be new. You get, let it be new. So see, I have an iPhone's money. I will get that. But for now, make I go for the one in my pocket. Which, so please comment. Is this a good phone? Yes, did I make a right choice? I know some people say I did not make a right choice, but those that feel that I made the right choice, please comment it. So it is on. Yeah, say app updates ready. I can install my apps. So if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Bye.